Ready?
Good day everyone, we are group 7 and this is our laboratory exercise number 6. Once a push button is pressed, pump will be on. The water will be delivered to the higher tank. When the pump is running, there must be lamp that flashing. If not, lamp will just off. Flashing must be 0.5 seconds on, time high, 0.5 seconds off, time low. Once another push button is pressed, the pump will stop, make a continuous operation components.
Dito mo lang. Pakita mo tayo ng ilaw. Ilayo mo to. Makita yung ilaw.